So this is today's task, and that's to do with the actual swimming pool. Today's task is we need to remove the pump which takes our water downstairs, and I need to put up here somewhere a water meter. So yeah, let's get into this. First task, cut that off, meter section in there, all that's removed now, and using this, I'm just starting to cut all things. That's the meter fitted, I'm not going to fit a security tag on it. Using the filter, that's the moistening and bypassing. So that's it, completely done. There's the filter, there's the pressure release valve, the UV filter, and then I've got